soap. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hair mask at home, and all you're going to need are these few products. So the first thing you're going to need is a mixing bowl. Next, you're going to need some coconut oil, which helps replenish the hair. Next, you're going to need some honey, which has plenty of vitamins and minerals and has plenty of healing properties as well. Then you're going to need an egg, which has plenty of protein and helps rebuild damaged hair. Next, you're going to need an avocado, which helps rejuvenate and moisture the scalp to promote long, strong, and healthy hair. Then you're going to need some argan oil. I suggest using some type of blender so that your product would be a lot smoother and easier to apply to your hair. Plus, you don't want big chunks to get stuck in your hair while you're washing it out. Next, I get a cutting knife and a spoon to get out the pit in the middle. I start by slicing open one side, and then I go to the next until you get it to where it's cut completely in half. Next, I take a spoon and I scoop out the pit. Then I start scooping out the pieces of the avocado, and then I put it inside of this mixing bowl. Once I'm done, I take the avocado and I put it inside of the blending bowl. Then I take an egg and I crack it inside of it as well. Next, I take some honey, and I don't really measure this out, I kind of just put as much as I think I might need inside of it. It doesn't really matter. Then I take some coconut oil and I take a couple of tablespoons, about 3 or 4. Then I take the argan oil and I put it inside, which promotes really silky, shiny hair. Once I'm done with that, I put the lid on the blending bowl and I put it on top of the blender, but make sure to secure it tightly so it doesn't pop off. Then I set it for 45 seconds so it'll blend completely. Next, all I'm doing is taking the lid off and pouring it right into a bowl. Now you're ready to apply it to your hair. I start by putting it on my roots all the way through. This may kind of take a while, but I didn't have any gloves, so I kind of just put it on. But it's just avocado, so you know. You really want to focus on the ends the most because that's the most brittle part of your hair. But I'm putting it in my roots and everything as well because I had just dyed it. Next, you want to take a plastic bag to put over it to keep the heat in, and then set a timer for 45 minutes. Once I've washed my hair out, I'm going to go in with some leave-in treatments and some detangler. I'm using Shea Moisture Leave-In Treatment 100% virgin coconut oil. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no phosphates, no animal testing, and no petroleum. For my detangler, I'm using Not Your Mother's, and it's a nice conditioning detangler, and it's infused with carrots and protein. Next, I'm putting my hair up in a towel to dry. I like to not blow dry it because, you know, it's really harsh on your hair, so I don't want to blow dry it more than I have to.